Understanding. Keep me in touch. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase, keep me in touch. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these phrases can greatly enhance your communication skills. Let's break it down together. The phrase, keep me in touch, is a slight variation of the more commonly used, keep in touch. While both phrases are related to maintaining communication, there's a subtle difference in their usage and meaning. Keep in touch is a mutual or general request for both parties to stay in contact over time. It's often used when parting ways after a meeting or when concluding a conversation. Keep me in touch, however, implies a request from the speaker to the listener to be the one to provide updates or information. It suggests that the speaker wants to be informed about specific news, events, or changes. Understanding how to use keep me in touch in context can clarify its meaning. Let's look at a few examples. 1. After a business meeting, I'm eager to see how this project evolves. Please, keep me in touch with any developments. 2. Among friends planning an event, I might be out of town next week. Keep me in touch with the party plans, alright? 3. In a professional setting, as I'll be working remotely, keep me in touch with any office updates. These examples highlight how the phrase can be used in various scenarios to request ongoing communication about specific topics or events. When learning English, it's easy to confuse similar phrases. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Don't overuse it for general scenarios. Reserve, keep me in touch, for situations where you're asking for updates on specific matters. Context matters. Remember, this phrase places the responsibility on the other person to initiate contact. Ensure it's appropriate for the relationship and situation. Don't confuse it with keep in touch. While similar, the general keep in touch is more about mutual communication over time without the emphasis on specific updates. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, keep me in touch, and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like this one. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more English language learning tips and tricks.